Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. And when this video goes out, I will be at a Stampin' Up summer retreat for UK and Irish demonstrators. And one of the things that we always like to do at these kind of events is swaps. So I have been busy with the In Colors designer series paper and the Scalloped Blooms stamps and dies, and my last video showed you a little box for these, but this is the actual reason I bought all of these little cookies, these bits of shortbread, and it's for my swaps. So this is the Barely Blush one, and you pull that to reveal the shortbread there. And I've got my business card on the back so that people will remember who they got the swap from. And then just try and put that back in there like that. And the easiest way to do it, I found, is like that. So this little tab just covers the little hole and gives you something to pull that out, like so. So I'm using a piece of designer series paper that measures 6 inches by 4 inches, and that means that I can get 6 of them from a one sheet of 12 by 12, and I just used tearing tape along one edge like so. And then I've got my business card. Now, I've forgotten my tape runner, and I am still using fast fuse because I still got lots. I don't use tape runners very often. Pop that on there like that, and then pop that in the middle, and then just wrap that around like so. And what I'm going to do is just take that part way off, line up the top edge like so, and then line up the bottom edge, pull that out, press that down. Okay, so we've got that in there. What I need to do is put in a little hole. Now I have a 3/8 of an inch punch, not a Stampin' Up one. And then I've got this 1/4 inch strip of just white card. Pop that through there like so. And then it's far too long. It was just the length of a piece of A4. Pop my little treat in there, and again, easiest way to get it to go down. Just give that a little push. So I want to make sure that I've got that quite tight there. Then I've got my piece. These are the dies that I've used. Just give that a little encouragement. Then fold that in half. Give it a press. And that's it right at the bottom. Just pull it up just a little bit, and I want to make sure that that's going to cover. So I'll get my scissors, that's covering there, and I can just chop that off there. Get my liquid glue, put a little bit on there, just a little bit, possibly a bit much. Hold that until that goes off a little bit, and then I'm just putting a line of glue either side on there. Pop that in the middle and fold that over and hold that for a moment. And we'll leave that there for now whilst I do the rest of it. So I'm just putting a little bit of glue on that white centre, like that. And I've cut this one from white as well. And I'm just using the hugs from the stamp set, and I did them all in Secret C, just so that I wasn't having to chop and change my ink colour. Tap that, pop that on there, like so. Let's get rid of this. Okay, and then a little bit of glue on there. Pop my little flower on like that. And turn that over and put glue right the way down there. Pop that in the centre, like so. And then I've got two little leaves. I will stick one down completely. Get a little bit of glue out there. Pop that there. And then I'm just going to put glue at one end on this bit. Here we are. And I can pop that in there and just lift that up so it's got that little bit of dimension on there. And then this is probably the trickiest part, is to make sure that that goes over the front there and that goes over the back there, like so. And there we have it, neatly contained inside, covers the little hole, and then you can just pull that up to reveal the little tree. Nice and simple. It had to be. I really haven't had much time to make swaps. There's over 100 people going. I've only managed to make, well, that's now 41. So I won't be able to swap with everybody, but I do look forward to swapping with as many people as I can, and then I will be back and share what I've received in return for my little swap. I hope you've enjoyed this very quick video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. If you've got time, you could also hype my video, and then other people get to see it too. And if you're new to my channel, please click on that subscribe button, click the bell and get notification the next time I upload a video. Until then, please do take care. Bye bye.